Chapter 12.
The Earth.
Sun and Moon.
The Earth, our planet Earth, is one of the 8 planets in our solar system. The solar system is made up of the Sun and everything that goes around it. In addition to the planets and their moons, the solar system includes dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and all the other bits of rock, dust and ice that circle the Sun. The Sun. The Sun is the center of the solar system. It is a hot and huge ball of burning gases. It is the nearest star to the Earth and has its own light. The Earth and the other planets move around the Sun.
The Sun is the ultimate source of all the energy on Earth. There would be no life on Earth without this star of the solar system.
Planets. Planets are the celestial bodies that move around the Sun in fixed paths. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also the smallest planet of the solar system. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. Unlike stars, planets do not have their own light. More about planet Earth. Earth is the only known planet where life exists. It is round like a ball. 3/4 of its surface is covered with water, so it appears blue from space and hence is also known as the blue planet. Earth moves in 2 ways. It rotates and revolves. Rotation. The Earth spins on its fixed imaginary axis from west to east. This movement is called rotation of the Earth. The Earth's axis is slightly tilted. It completes one rotation in 24 hours. Day and night occur due to rotation of the Earth. Revolution. The Earth also revolves around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit. This movement of the Earth is known as revolution. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Seasons happen due to the revolution of the Earth around the Sun. Moon. A body that revolves around a planet is called a satellite. A satellite may be natural or artificial. Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth and is our nearest neighbor in space. It takes 29.5 days to complete one revolution around the Earth. It does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the Sun and appears to shine. Phases of the Moon. Every night we see different shapes of the Moon. These are called the phases of the Moon. It happens because we can see only those parts of the Moon that are lit by the Sun. Sometimes we do not see the lit up face of the Moon at all. This is called the new moon. After 2 or 3 days of the new moon, we see the crescent moon. Then, after about 2 weeks, we see the full moon. Stars. In the night sky, we see thousands of stars. These stars are many times bigger than the Earth, but they appear very small because they are far away from the Earth. The Sun is the nearest star to the Earth.
Sometimes a small group of stars resembles a particular shape and is called a constellation. For example, Orion constellation resembles the shape of a hunter in action.
Asteroids and comets. Asteroids are big pieces of rock in space. They move around the Sun just like planets do, but are much smaller than planets. Most of them are found in an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are big chunks of ice and dust that go around the Sun. When comets come close to the Sun, they develop long bright tails. Sometimes they are visible from the Earth. Artificial satellites. Human-made objects that move around the Earth are called artificial satellites. They help in communication, weather forecasting, navigation of ships and aircrafts, and perform many other functions.